Welcome to the Hot Water Solutions Guide to maintaining and using your heat pump water heater efficiently. One of the first items to make sure to keep up on is the air filter needs regular cleaning. Inspect the filter every 3 months depending on how quickly it collects debris and dust. Remove the filter from the unit. Rinse the filter until thoroughly clean. Remove excess water from the filter and replace. Once dry, place the filter back into the water heater and turn the system back to your favorite efficiency mode. Every heat pump water heater is equipped with a condensate drain to remove collected moisture. These are gravity-fed to a sink, drain, or the home's exterior, or run to a condensate pump. Inspect the line for biogrowth or debris. Most units will have a clean out, where the line can be flushed out and cleared. If using a condensate pump, push the test or purge button to test the pump. The pump should run for a few seconds. Many heat pump water heaters are equipped with built-in leak detection. Most manufacturers' leak detection devices perform a self-check every 30 days. If working properly, this notifies the unit that water outside of the tank is present and sends an alarm to the display panel. Check your manufacturer's instructions to configure your alerts. All water heaters should be flushed annually. This is an often overlooked item that can increase your water heater's lifespan. Many installers offer a maintenance plan and do this for you. Before starting, turn off the water heater and both cold and hot water valves and ensure your hose will properly drain. Open the hot water side valve to allow air to purge. Open the drain valve. You should hear water moving as it drains, which may take a while. It often appears brown or dark at first. Once the water runs clear, you can close the drain valve and open the cold line valve to refill the tank. You must fill the tank before turning the water heater back on. Once the tank is full, turn the water heater on to initiate the startup procedure. Reset your settings and give the water some time to heat up. Be sure to keep items away from the intake and exhaust of the heat pump. This allows consistent airflow and keeps your water heater working efficiently. Hybrid mode can be the best choice if you live in a cold climate area or during the winter. Heat pump water heaters are smart appliances and have many sensors to alert you of potential issues. Common alerts are caused by blockages of airflow or anti-freezing protection. Check your manual for your specific model's interpretation of alert codes. Many heat pump water heaters can connect to the manufacturer's app to receive information, alerts, user patterns, and energy consumption. Download your unit's specific app and learn about all the ways you can stay connected. To learn more, visit hotwatersolutionsnorthwest.org.